Hey, future legends! In the last show, I have shared why I want to become a billionaire, a successful entrepreneur. And in this show, I want to share what I am doing for become a billionaire. I will share you everything about what I am doing to develop my skills and to satisfy my desire in my hobbies. For a successful business, there should be a skills that every entrepreneur should have, that is marketing skills. So all we know that we live in this era is digital era. So I am learning digital marketing. From where I am learning digital marketing? Hmm? The answer is Udemy. I bought a course and right now I am learning digital marketing. Every entrepreneur should have good communication skills. English speaking. So for this I am record my podcast in English and publish them and to encourage my public speaking. I am shoot my YouTube videos in English. I have recently made a business website for my uncle which give me a lot of knowledge about website building and designing. I will give the link in description of the website that I have made. For increase my productivity and for clarification in my life about future, I maintain a regular journal. Journaling is like writing a diary in which you write daily experience of life, but journal is different. In journal you do lot of things. You write what you want in life, what dreams you have, everything that you feel. Just take my example. When I was starting journaling, I wrote all my dreams in this. There is a dream. There is also a dream to make a time machine. So, I have written every dream that I want in my life. I write daily good feelings and bad feelings. What I have learned today, what is my 5 year plans, what is my single year plan, what is my 6 month plans and my 1 month to my 1 week plan. All the success chart of my life. So journaling gives me lot of clarification of my life. I have a very high interest in coding, means in programming. I wrote code in Python and this interest is developed in the last summer vacations. I do many projects in Python. I have made some good application and recently I have made a voice command personal assistant like Jarvis in Iron Man, like Siri and Google personal assistant. And just Gary Vee says don't become a content consumer, become a content producer. So for my Python skills, I have made an Instagram account in which I share my Python programming content. I will give the link of my Python account. Go and just follow. And you know what is the interesting thing behind my Python learning? I have learned this Python in YouTube, not in any classes of college and nor in any institute. Online learning is the best thing. So if you want to learn anything in free and with the professional, then use online platform to learning everything. So to improve my Python knowledge, I have joined a course in Infosys program named InfyTQ. In this I am learning basic to advanced in Python, and soon I will make this Python skills into a passive income source. I will make some interesting things that gives me a source of income from my Python skills. Every entrepreneur always should be healthy and fit. So for this I do work out daily. So this is my present stage. But sometimes I thought that I am doing everything right or not. Should I do this many things at one time? See, I am doing digital marketing, Python learning, working on Python project, podcasting, YouTube, that are lot of right. But I know all this learning and working not go waste. So I have make this YouTube channel because of three reasons. First, this is improve my communication and English speaking. This encourage me to become a very successful entrepreneur soon. By and the third is by this YouTube channel I will get a lot of advice from you for become a true legend. So legend help me and give advice what should I do to become a successful entrepreneur. In the next show I will share you what I want, what I have learned in this week, and I will give you the knowledge of digital marketing too. Thank you for listening me, and like if you get some motivation and value, subscribe to that you never miss my as well as your journey to become a successful entrepreneur, and share this to your friend and family who will become the next entrepreneur of the century.